Before your data tells a story, it often needs a little cleanup or even a total makeover at times. Power BI's Power Query Editor helps you shape and transform your data. In this video, we will look at how to add, modify, or duplicate your columns even before it enters the dashboard. Let's get started. Here is a Power BI file where we've already imported some data. Now I'll click on Transform Data to open the Power Query Editor. Let's look at the release date column. In the dashboard that I want to create, I know I will do a lot of analysis on the month and year of movie release. So I want to create two columns. One where I just have the month data and the other just the year data instead of the full date. The first step that we will do is to create a duplicate of this column. I will select the release date column, go to add column and click on duplicate column. Let's rename this column as month of release. Double click on the name and type month of release. Now this column still contains the full date. So let's transform this column. I will select the column and go to transform. Since we now want to make modifications in the same column and not create a new column, we go to the transform menu. Now I will go to the date and time column group. Now all I have to do is go to the option in the date and select month. And here we have our data. So far we have duplicated a column and then transformed the new column. What if we want to do both these in one step? Here's what we need to do. Let's create a new column which is just the year of release. I'm going to click on release date and I will go to add column as we want a new column. You'll see a similar group from date and time. This time I will select the year option from date and that's it. We see a new column called year. I can now rename the column as year of release. Go to the home menu, click on close and apply. And we see the two new columns visible in the table view. So that's how you duplicate, transform or add columns. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you'd like to learn more about Power BI and Excel, consider subscribing our channel Analytics Success. Thanks for watching.